Now this is how you can restart your Android phone when it's frozen. So if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So if your phone happens to be unresponsive to touch and you cannot go to the settings or swipe to turn it off or whatever, you need to perform the force restart, right? So this would look like this. You essentially cannot really touch the display because it's unresponsive. So instead, we have to use the physical buttons. So your phone usually has the power button on the side and also the volume buttons. It might depend on which side, which kind of depends on your phone, but in most cases, you should be able to find it like this. So in order to perform it, you have to hold down on both the volume down, right, which is the volume down right here, as well as the power button. So I need to hold down and press the two buttons and at the same time for at least 10 seconds. So this is what it would look like. Right, I'm now pressing it like this. You can see we have the first screen, which we can click on, right? So if the screen is responsive, I can now click on the button to turn off or restart the phone. But I just keep on holding, I get another vibration. And once the logo appears, you can put the phone back on the table or you can lift your fingers from the buttons and you just wait until the phone restarts and it comes back to life, really. So it might take a while. It depends on how fast the phone is in general and how long it takes to just boot up normally, but the phone should become responsive after this. So you can see the phone is back in the normal state. So I can type in the code and kind of use it normally. If there is any software update available, I would definitely check it out and just update it. It generally makes sense to do that if your phone kind of has problems with the software. But that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know your thoughts and I'll see you later in the future uploads.